Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. It's been forever and a day since I did a video. One of the not too long ago videos that I did, it was from the beginning of this year, was when my wife and I planted out a bunch of raspberries out into this little area of the yard here at my in-laws place. And I'm really happy to report that we did have actually quite a bit of raspberries coming in throughout the summer. And some of these are a different variety. There's 2 different varieties of raspberries here, and some of them are actually just producing fruit now, and it's November 11th today, which is amazing to me that we're getting fresh raspberries. It's actually been really kind of cold. We've been down to near freezing for weeks now, and here they are, and they're amazing and they're delicious. Look at the size of this one right here. It's beautiful. So yeah, you got a bunch here, you got a bunch here. Looks really nice. There's a couple more back on this one over here. So yeah, I mean, things have been going pretty well, and this bed has been doing great. So I'm really happy. We got a bunch of mulch on here. Got the little strawberries planted in as well. They're kind of growing now already. They're starting to spread. Didn't really have too many strawberries though, I'll say that, but maybe it's because of when we kind of transplanted them. I think it was already kind of like past the point where it would have been the ideal spot for them. But anyway, everything's looking good. So yeah, I hope everybody's good. Yeah, I keep saying I'm coming back and making videos, and I'm trying, but just life keeps getting in the way. But everything's good. I got no real complaints, just little things. And yeah, everything's all right. So hope everything's good in your neck of the woods, and hope everybody's still trying to get their gardens growing and growing your own food and looking up tasty vegan recipes and whatnot. And yeah, hope everybody's good. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.